party season from the Wrawp Organic Kitchen. My name is Daniel with Wrawp Foods, and this is our next episode of the Wrawp Organic Kitchen digital series. Today we want to show you how to really work with our coconut wrap and how it's featured throughout our latest ebook, recipe ebook, The Party Favorites by Wrawp Foods and inspired by many of our Wrawp followers. If you haven't received our party book just yet, you can go to wrawp.com. Right on the home page, you're going to see the wrap recipe and you can download it 100% free. So many incredible recipes featuring some of our favorite brands to work with wrap, including Brenn Salsa, Betsy's Best, nut butters, and so many others, and everything from tacos to burritos to banana sushi to no-bake cakes. I mean, all of your party favorites. So download it today. You will be the talk of the party. So we're going to go through two recipes today. I'm so excited to share them with you. These are my favorite. I make them at home all the time. These are things that I bring to the many holiday parties that I go to because I am known as the cool, plant-based, healthy, and wait, what? They're scrumptious recipe guy. So today we're going to teach you how to make tacos or burritos with our 100% organic coconut wrap. If you have not tried our coconut wrap before, 12-month shelf life, don't need refrigeration, and made with simply 100% organic Thailand young coconut. We've added just a touch of psyllium husk and just a drop of coconut nectar to really allow the dehydration process to lock in all of those incredible nutrients. When you remove the coconut wrap from the package, you're going to notice that it's a little firm because it is dehydrated. So you're going to take your wrap, and what you'll do is very simply just sprinkle a little bit of water over it, just like so, and then just rub it all over the top, and it's going to soften right up. And then after it softens, you're going to notice like, what? It's so pliable and you can do just about anything with it. Today I'm going to walk you through a burrito and how to make a burrito, but you can also do the taco. So let me talk about the taco shell. You can make a taco shell just like this with our coconut wraps in 3 easy steps. 1, grab a little circle bowl, cut out the circle piece. Again, make sure it's moist. Fold it into a taco shape and put it into a baking sheet. Place it in the oven no more than 2 minutes. When you bring it out of the oven, keep it in the taco shape, and it's actually going to crisp up just like that, like a nice, so good, crispy taco shell. No flour, no wheat, no grains. It is simply the most delicious, clean, nutritious taco shell you'll ever taste. Oh, after you, by the way, when you cut that circle out, you're gonna have some extra pizzas left over. Make sure you keep those pizzas. So good. And make sure you throw them in the oven as well, and you're gonna have nacho chips. So you can layer them with cheeses and salsa and so forth. Now, for the burrito, very simple. You're going to take your coconut wrap, make sure you've moistened it just a little bit, and you're gonna see there's a texture side and a non-texture side. So you're gonna go ahead and place the non-texture side facing up. Very simple. We're using Beyond Meat. You know, that's the biggest thing in the movement right now. So I literally just pan fried mine, added a little oregano spice, however you like to spice up your taco meat. And if you're looking for a vegan taco meat or a raw vegan, there are some recipes or other things on our Instagram page. So make sure you're following wrawp.foods on Instagram. So really simple. You're just going to grab your taco meat. Don't mind me because you eat the burrito with your hand and it's messy anyway. So we'll just load it up with your Beyond Meat. After you have your Beyond Meat or your choice of whatever kind of meat you want to use in the burrito, then it's really simple. So I'm gonna add a little layer of guacamole because who doesn't love a little guacamole in the burrito? Oh my God, so good. If you have pets, make sure well, feed them some of the burrito too, because they're just going to love it. It's completely plant-based and simply delicious. Then I love to add just a little tomato, so I chopped up some fresh tomato here. Oh my God, I know it smells so good, right? And you see they're fancying their holiday outfits today. We're all in the holiday mood this season. And then, I don't know about you, but I love onions, so we did a little a diced white onion. Everything here is USDA organic. We prefer not to use vegetables and things using pesticides. We only use vegetables and our whole coconut and so forth, and we source that from local farms that do not use pesticides in their farms. And then if you're a cheese lover like me, cheese and so forth. So a mounding burrito, like so with the stuffing, and it's so yummy. And you simply just grab the wrap. And now, if you're not a wrap master, you're gonna find that these are pretty easy to roll. So you're gonna just stuff your ingredients in and roll it really, really, really tight. And you'll find that because you've moistened the wrap, the actual wrap itself is going to stick together. Now, we love, and sometimes if you pack it too much, it's great. Just make sure the stuffings go in. And now you have your party raw vegan, or in this case, you have your party burrito. After slicing, what I love to do, because sometimes I'll eat this with a fork or you can eat it with your hand, it's great. If you're ever looking for a good salsa, we are going to highly recommend Brenn's. It is a pretty new salsa out on the market. It is cleaner than any salsa we have ever seen. These ingredients are incredibly whole, but this is just the perfect way to literally, guacamole is so good, to top off your burrito with a little bit of Brenn salsa. And you have these laying out for your guests and they are gonna go crazy. So welcome and enjoy our party recipe tacos or holiday burritos.